Ever wondered how reptiles evolved into magnificent birds? It all started over millions of years, with gradual changes. Feathers began to appear, helping them adapt and survive. These feathers weren't just for show, they aided in flight. As time passed, their body structures changed too. The shift in diet also played a crucial role in their evolution. Gradually, they developed beaks for better feeding. Their wings evolved, allowing for more efficient flight. Today, birds are the living descendants of these ancient reptiles. So next time you see a bird, remember its incredible journey.